All your shipping and trucking instructions will be saved in the feature, My Instructions. Simply search for your shipping instructions by providing the search criteria. Use these filters on top to filter by product, department for export or import booking, or search for pending or submitted instructions. Here you can check the status of your instructions. Based on the status of your SI, you can create, view and edit specific shipping instructions. Our smart icons will save you time and conveniently redirect you to the desired page. Click here to view and edit your instructions details. You can share shipping instructions by clicking on the print or email buttons. And if you need to make changes to your submitted shipping instructions, simply click on the Edit SI button. Add additional information, attach documents, and click on the button Update SI. By clicking on the three-dot icon, you get the options to download the data into an Excel file, create a report, or simply share it with a colleague.